Washi tape, paper tape, stickers, oh my! Today I'm going to walk you through my favorite ways to use this colorful and functional accessory that's great for any Erin Condren planner, notebook, or journal. So let me show you how I use it in my life planner. On the monthly spreads, I use decorative tape to easily identify my travel schedule and when I'll be out of town. As you can see, May's a very busy month with planner conferences and the upcoming launch of our new Life Planner and Teacher Planner too. Sometimes I like to write directly on the tape. As you see, I'm headed to Vegas for a conference and then off to Brussels for PlannerCon Europe. Also, I love to use this metallic gold asterisk tape to identify vacation time. What I love about paper tape is that it's not permanent and can be flexible with schedule changes. For example, this water polo tournament might get pushed to the following weekend, so I can just remove it and put it in its new place. For me, washi and paper tape can add a pop of color and motivation to events that aren't set in stone. Like this week, inside my hourly life planner, I've blocked out the 3 days that I'm in town and should probably sign up for classes at the gym. As you can see, I also use colored pens and stickers to accentuate meetings and even the occasional dentist appointment. The best thing about planning is it's entirely up to you. I cannot wait to see how you use your paper tape and your washi to enhance your planning.